Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today in this lecture we will study about the neoplasia. Neoplasia means the formation of the abnormal cells or the new formation of abnormal cells. What are the requirements for the cell to become malignant or the requirements of the cell to become neoplastic? Firstly, it should be autonomous in its proliferation. It should be able to grow on its own, or it can or this point can be called as the self-sufficiency in growth. Secondly, it should not respond to the physiological inhibitory signals of growth. Thirdly, gain of function mutations of the proto-oncogenes, and proto-oncogenes will be converted to oncogenes, and causes of these can be radiation, oncogenic virus, carcinogen, or the cause can be inherited. Number 4, loss of function mutation in tumor suppressor genes. Loss of function mutation in tumor suppressor genes. And number 5, loss of function mutation in DNA repair genes. Number 6, gain of function mutation in anti-apoptotic genes. Gain of function mutation in anti-apoptotic genes. It means that apoptosis will not happen. Anti-apoptotic genes will be overactive. And number 7 is loss of function mutation in pro-apoptotic genes. And number 8 is gain of function mutation in telomerase forming genes that leads to the limitless replicative potential. And number 9 is gain of function mutations in the gene producing angiogenic factor, sustained angiogenesis. Number 10 is capacity to destroy and infiltrate the neighboring cells in an invasive fashion. And number 11 is capacity of metastasis, that is, they dislodge from the primary mass and travel to the distant areas and are able to survive at distant areas and also able to proliferate. 12, cell expresses mutant protein on its surface. Normally what happens that immune system recognizes and attacks the mutant proteins, but these mutant proteins are not recognized or attacked by the immune system, and this point is called the escape from immunity. For the cell to become malignant, these are the 12 points. Firstly, it should be self-sufficient in growth. It should not respond to physiological inhibitory signals of growth. There should be gain of mutation of the proto-oncogenes, loss of function mutation in the tumor suppressor genes, loss of function mutations in the DNA repair genes, gain of function mutation in anti-apoptotic genes, loss of function mutation in the pro-apoptotic genes, gain of function mutation in the telomerase forming genes, gain of function mutations in the genes producing angiogenic factors, gain of function mutations in the telomerase forming genes, capacity to destroy and infiltrate the neighboring cells in an invasive fashion, capacity of metastasis, and cell expresses the mutant proteins on its surface that are not recognized or attacked by the immune system.